Ultravation, improving indoor environments since 2000. Bring cleaner air to your life with Solaris whole house air purification. Unlike filtration, Solaris uses nanotechnology to decompose the molecules of air pollutants. Contaminants including household odors, fumes from chemicals, bacteria and viruses, allergens, mold spores, and even smoke is broken down into harmless components. Solaris goes beyond filtration to remove pollutants filters can't capture using 3 technologies: UV light, a photocatalyst, and ionization. UV light is a powerful disinfectant that kills germs such as the flu and common cold viruses. The Solaris photocatalyst purification destroys odors, VOCs, germs, and allergens, and is adjustable to fit your needs as it has an impressively powerful oxidation capability. A plasma ion generator works the same way as a thunderstorm does to freshen the air while causing microscopic-sized pollutants to gather in groups for capture and filtration. Solaris will give the air throughout your home a healthfulness and freshness no filter can deliver. And Solaris installs out of the way in your HVAC ductwork to work 24/7, improving the air everywhere you have air conditioning and heating. So bring cleaner air to your life with Ultravation Solaris, the ultimate whole house photocatalytic air purifier.